Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your headphones to the phone. So firstly, it could be a problem with your audio player, so we should remove it. Let's say you use Spotify. Now we should remove it from the cache and open it again. Now check, maybe your problem is fixed. Also, the second one is to check software version. Is you have the last one, so open the application and now scroll down. Right here we have the information that I use the last one. If you use not the last one, just install the new one. Also, try to restart your phone or your tablet if you use it. And the last one is to make a hard reset. So put it to the charging case and now press and hold this connectional button until this little light starts flashing 3 times. Here we go. Now we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon. Forget this device, forget device. Also don't forget to click pair new device on your Android and now click on it at the device list. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!